How's it going, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple desktops on Windows 11. So first things first, you want to make sure you have Task View enabled. If you don't see this on your taskbar, just click taskbar settings, wait for this to load up, and then Task View, you want to make sure that's enabled. Exit out of that, and then let's go back to Task View. You can see I have 3 desktops here. One for gaming that I renamed to in browsers, and then this one that never really gets used. Now to rename your desktop, just click right click and then rename here, and then you can rename it to whatever you like. To choose different backgrounds, you're just going to simply right click again. So for gaming, I have this background. Let's say if I want to change the second desktop, right click there, choose background. And then they have multiple stock images you can use, or if you want to use a personalized video picture, just click browse, and then you can choose your picture. And once you choose your picture or your background, let's say I'll choose this blue one here, they have your regular fit, stretch, tile, center that you want to use. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy Windows 11.